Taking the 1980 Chevy Malibu out. Steering feels great. It's got a lot of power. Brakes feel good. One of the blinkers takes a little bit, has a couple of hesitation arrows on there, but should be out. One of the bulbs should be out. And then the other blinker works. You just gotta hold up the blinker. I didn't feel any like metal on metal. Suspension feels good. Super comfortable to drive. Definitely love this car. If you have any other questions or anything, if you want any additional pictures, let me know. Thanks, guys.